Hi kitty cats, so we're gonna make some apple pie, and I already did the crust and everything and sliced up all the apples. Having a rough time of it because my apple core slicer, I had one of those crank ones and it broke on me, so I had to do the rest of it by hand with a hand peeler. But here we go, and now I'm gonna make a caramel sauce that we're gonna pour over all these apples and then put the crust on top. And it's gonna be a super, super yummy pie. So first thing we're gonna do is melt 2 sticks of butter. Once the butter is melted, then we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of flour and make a paste. Okay, then you're gonna wanna add a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and mix that together. Then you're gonna add a half a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Once it's at a boil, you're gonna reduce the temperature and let it simmer for 5 minutes. So we got it simmering now for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna pour it over the apples when it's done simmering. And when we pour it over the apples, we're gonna leave like a small amount remaining in the pot that we're gonna pour on top of the crust. So we pour this mixture over the apples, put the crust on, cut some vents in the crust, and then we're gonna pour the rest of the caramel sauce on top of the crust. And if you want, you can shake a little cinnamon onto that. I don't. I like to just leave it as is. There's enough cinnamon already in this. Okay, so this is what you end up with. And then you're gonna wanna bake it in a bake it in a 425 oven and for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna reduce the temperature to 350 and do it for another 40 minutes. And when you take this out, the best thing you can do for it is let it sit. The longer this pie sits, the better it will taste. So this is the finished product, and like I said, you'll want to let it sit. The longer the better. And it's so delicious. I'm telling you, this is the best apple pie I've ever had. And I've had apple pies at fancy bakeries and stuff, and this recipe may not look pretty, but it is so delicious. It tastes so good.
It's not about beauty.
So anyways, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe and all that good stuff. It really helps me out. And bye-bye, kitty cats.